So students, I have already shared this document in our portal. So you should anyway go through this. This is compulsory. So I will teach you how you can mark your own paper because currently I am marking your paper, but you should get the understanding how you need to make. So the problem is you need to understand the marking structure. So students, now this is a marking scheme of May, August 2020. So I'll just guide you how it is done. Marking guidance. Marking scheme should be applied positively with candidates rewarded for what they demonstrated, not penalized for omissions. So the good thing here is students, you would have also observed that I am not deducting any marks whenever you make mistakes in language. And so have you observed that? I don't correct grammatical mistakes in your answer. So at the end of the day, as a management, I don't want an English guru in my class inside my boardroom. I generally want a person who gives me solution. So the first thing I am very clear here that I am not deducting any single marks. So the second thing is all marks are on a scheme that are designed to be awarded, and full marks should be avoided when all the level descriptor criteria is mentioned. So I am going to teach you what is level descriptor criteria today. The marking scheme and the inductive answers are provided to guide the marker. They are not intended to exhaustive and valid approach must be rewarded. Equally, students do not have to make all the points mentioned in the inductive answer to receive the highest level of marking scheme. So students, again, remember the answers, even what I develop in the class is above the range. Why I do that? Just to give you the understanding. But frankly, remember students, the answers are above the range. An answer which does not address the requirement of the task must be awarded one, no marks. So I want to talk to Mr. Mahmoodur Rahman, if I'm not mistaken. Mr. Mahmoodur Rahman, Sharia, are you there? Okay, so if you're not there, that's fine. Let it get recorded. Your answers are not writing according to the requirement. Now, even if there is Shruti from Ireland, the Shruti from Ireland, you need to understand that your answer is not at all going through the requirement. So when the answers are not meeting the requirement, you will be awarded zero. Now, as for this time, you have scored a very less marks. I need to be very open to you. The reason why it went for a lower marks is it did not tally with the requirement. You understand what I'm saying, Astro?
Yes, sir.
And students, just remember, don't write Porter's generic strategy for this question because this question never ever insisted on that. So the first thing I just want to make sure for the entire class is you need to be very clear that if you did not meet the requirement, there is no answers. So students, can you recall that whenever we are developing an answer, the first thing that we do is we take out the requirement as a heading. I have already addressed that in the class because students' requirement is the key direction to your answer. If your requirement is wrong, that means your answer is also going to be wrong. So students, can I get a Y in the chat box if you are clear with the fourth bullet point? If you are clear with the fourth bullet point. Because students, just remember, you can easily pass this examination provided that you understand the marking procedure of the paper. Just going to the exam hall, writing a pre-learned answer will not give you any marks, students. So remember for the requirement. Answer, can you remember the first mock we studied? It clearly was a question that was general to printer friend and also printer heating and ventilator. You get what I'm saying? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So, and
Yes,
in
sir.
that, if you just write an answer for printer friend, that guy will definitely deduct marks for the answer which you did not mention. Students, be very careful. This is very, very important. And coming to the next one, markers should mark according to the marking scheme, not their perception of where the passing standard might lie. Where the markers are in doubt as to the application of the marking scheme to a particular candidate script, they must contact their lead marker. Again, I'm telling students this is very highly regulated marking process. It's not a marking process by one person they do. Now, students, this is how we need to correct the answer. You have been observing that my correction of answers are very slow. You would have observed that. I need to tell you the fact, students, I do the same way what they are doing. What I do is I read all the answers of the students. and develop a scheme that is a weighted average scheme. So that's what it takes time. So read the candidate's full response. So it takes a lot of time, students, because we can't just do like a mathematical correction. Please remember that. Select the level. For each trait in the marking scheme, read the level descriptor and select one using the best fit approach. The response that does not meet all the criteria of the level descriptor, it should be placed at the level when it meets the more of the criteria of the level than the criteria of other levels. Now, you may not understand this for the moment because I will just show you what are the levels actually. If the work fits more than one level, judge will only provide the best match. So you will always get the highest possible range. If the work is on the borderline between two levels, it will be placed either on the top or the lower band or the bottom or the higher band, depending where it fits. Now, some students, it is the only problem I can say. You would have failed at 79. You would have failed at 78. That means your answer was in a border level which you need to go to improve into the higher level band. So I'm going to teach you that people who fail at 70s, remember one thing, that's a different thing here. So get the understanding properly. So the next one is select a mark within the level. Once you have selected the level, you need to choose the mark to apply. A small range of marks may be given for each level. You may need to use your professional judgment to allocate. If the answer is high quality and convincingly meet the requirement of the level, you should give the highest marks available. If not, you should award the lower mark within the range available, making judgment on overall quality of the answer in relation to the level descriptor. So this is only known as the co-activity. So students, as I told you, they will only test you knowledge from the co-activities only. So students, this is how they have been designed, and all the co-activities will be, I can say, mixed together. All the co-activities will be mixed together in the answer for your idea. So coming down, students, coming down, I'll just teach you what are the level 1, level 2, level 3. Now, students, if you observe from the day one, I'm training you to go for level 3 because I want you to score the full marks or for the highest band. So, in case if your answers are not so good, also your range is in the highest band. So, what happens is the higher chances of passing. Now, if you see no rewardable material, 0 marks. Now, can you remember, students? I told you some students are writing about Porter's generic theory for the question of, I can say, digital operating models. Now, generic theory is strategy. Digital operating model is a different area of IT and IS. Now, here the answer scheme will give you a result of how much, students? 0. You get what I'm saying, students? Your brain should function on the marks. If that is 10 marks, you should check and see if I write this, how many marks I can maximum score. Don't think that, okay, this is a university examination. They will definitely award me marks for whatever the things I write. At least I can get with the third lower and go outside the university as a graduate. No, if you have that attitude, students, that's wrong. You can't write anything and pass. You need to write what they want and only pass. That's the first thing. Answer, are you getting what I'm saying there? Yes or no? Because in
Yes,
the
sir.
scheme itself, they have mentioned 0. Because if you see in ACCA, you can't put 0 to a student. That's a compulsion because it will demotivate the student. But if you see SEMA, they are very open. They are saying that if you are not writing to the requirement, we give you 0. But in university, there is no such thing called 0. I think Dr. Shabnam will know that if I'm not mistaken, yes or no. Because in university, they
No, sir, I
generally
have put 0 because I
correct
teach accounting. So you can put 0
zero.
if
But
nothing is
as
right.
for
Yes.
they just tell us to give at least something for they have written. You understand, Shabnam? Don't put
Yeah.
0. The main
Especially for descriptive courses. Yes.
correct. So the thing is, what happens is for something we need to give some marks. That's generally accepted now, because the reason is students have work. But here they don't see that. They are very strict because it's a chartered body. So coming to level 1, now this is the problem with some students. Offer brief explanation as to why employee turnover is potentially unsuitable. Now some students will generally write 1-2 sentence and complete. Now I think the Shruti from Ireland, if she is there, you would have understood that your answer is in the level 1 standard at the moment. I need to be very open here. Mr. Funny, your answers sometimes go to the level 1. You need to remember that. You need to remember that. So you can't just write and pass the answer. You need to remember where you are scoring a lot of marks. That's what I always say. Avoid writing one sentence, avoid writing bullet form. It will definitely go to the lower band level of the answer. Keep that in mind. Explain. Now description, brief explanation is description. Okay. Explain why employee turnover is potentially unsuitable. Brief explanation versus a normal explanation. Now, if you see our students in our class are at this level, the majority is in level 2. So even Shabnam, your level is level 2. You get what I'm saying, Shabnam? Because actually most of your points have improved the potentials. You get what I'm saying? But it is not going into the level 3. I will tell you how. Offers clear explanation as to why employee turnover is unsuitable with reference to the business industry. Reference to the business industry is we should be very much careful with the Westland, I can say the smart tech industry versus the heating and ventilator industry. So students, just remember one thing, you must go through this marking scheme. This is a compulsion. This is a compulsion. This is a compulsion. Because students, without the marking scheme, it's very difficult for you to identify where you are failing. I think students, if you look at the last week class that was on, I can say on Thursday, you would have observed I have taken more time in explaining. The main reason was, students, I was targeting the level 3 of explanation because I could have easily, if you see the last requirement of talent management, it went to level 1. I need to tell you the fact, to manage the time, I reduced it. But if you see the first 2 requirement, I was in level 2. So students get the understanding that your target, whenever you are writing the answer, should always be with reference to what? With reference to what? With reference to what? With reference to business. With reference to business. Now, if you see, this is the most important thing as a finance manager working at Frinta. So students, you can see the feedback this time I gave as the management. I did not give as a teacher, I gave as the management. Any questions you like to ask, you can ask me, students. Today, I may take a little bit extra time. Any questions you like to ask, you can ask me. Because this is a very important thing. If you're fine with
Sir,
this, please.
I don't have any question related to marking scheme, but I have a query, which is like, sometimes I feel like my knowledge is not enough for writing on tech-based industry.
No,
how do I improve that knowledge?
The thing is like this, Sharmin, you need to be very much related to the business reference. Example, don't give pre-seen data. You get what I'm saying, no, Sharmin? Now, example, you are working in Tata. Don't say about the history about Tata to Tata. You say, what are the ecosystem factors to Tata? You understand what I'm saying there, Sharmin? That means, example, when you are developing an answer, I have already given you a framework. What, why, who, and how. You get what I'm saying, no, Sharmin? That framework, that color coding framework. So that if you see what element will give you level 1, you understand, Sharmin? Yes or no? And what and why and how will give you to level 2. But what and why, who is the reference to the business, no, Sharmin? You understand what I'm saying? That means don't just put the name of this single everyone for the sake of name dropping. That is a different thing. Reference to the business means, like in office, what we do. In office, we generally be very practical to the business, but we use our technical knowledge, but not to the extent of an academic exam in office. So the thing is, they want you to go to the level 3 by becoming more and more into the levels. That's what, remember that 4 steps I told you. What, why, who, and how. So remember that, students, that 4 thought process you should develop. Type in your own way. Read the answers of your friends. Develop this by a practicing of skill. So Sharmin, are you getting that framework clearly, Sharmin, if I'm not mistaken?
Yes, I understood the framework of how it should be written, but sometimes I feel like I'm not that tech savvy. So will that
you can slowly reduce, but the thing is, here they are mostly reference to the business. How that issue, how brand atomization will be specifically influencing Frinta. You get what I'm saying, Sharmin? how digital ecosystem specifically influence Frinta. You get the point by references.
Yeah, just like because I'm asking this because in one of your comments you wrote that I could write about 5G, but I heard about 5G, but I don't know what 5G is.
But
So I'm just
you
thinking,
need to manage, example. You need to manage it by using little bit of skills. So coming to the next one, students, just to understand, I will just come to the next one. So only 3 levels are there with reference to the business. Now, if you see students, another one, describe associated with creating a team. Okay, team management. Offer descriptions. Look at the level 1. Offer description of key issues associated with creating, taking account of need to collaborate with half a lane staff. Now, half a lane is a person, character. You understand what I'm saying, students. Some students will just write down forming, norming, that theory, the Bell-beam theory. That won't work out here, Tuckman theory. My question is, you should mention it with the real life characters. And even she offers sensible suggestions with justification. That justification is very, very, very important. And here again, logical and justification, logical and justification, logical and justification. So just remember that students here, they are very much clear that what they want, because you should always read the level 3 and your mindset should always focus on the level 3. Mindset should always focus on the level 3. Mindset should always focus on the level 3. And students, again, if you see again, of a full discussion of the need to determine cash flow and capital cost. Now, difficulty associating with NPV. Identify determination, cash flow, cost of capital, only 2 marks. Of a discussion of cash flow, 3 to 5 marks. Of a full discussion of needs to be determined, cost of capital, 6 to 7 marks. Now, students, you can come to 6 to 7 marks, provided that you go to the level 3 band. And generally, our class is at the moment at level 1 and level 2, but our target is by the end of this month, we should be in the level 3. Sharmin, did you understand that? Yes or no? Because
yes.
by continuous practice, we can improve. Students, you don't worry. I will definitely guide you also on how to improve. So students, here it is generally given. So you must get used to this marking scheme. Please go through the marking scheme of all the past papers which is there in the portal. I am recommending you students once again. This is extremely, extremely important for you, this marking scheme, because if you miss the level 3, you will definitely end up in a close border failure or a fail. That's the understanding. So students, before we go into the answers, can I get a Y in the chat box if you're fine with this? Amrit, did you get the explanation of the marking scheme, Amrit?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Students, this is a co-element. Students, you must spend time on this. Very, 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 very important. Pragati, are you understanding the marking scheme, Pragati? Because I think this is the first time you are hearing this marking scheme.
Yes, sir, I understand.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So students, please remember, if you have been in the last region, you are in level 2, your target should come to level 3. So the direction is very clear for the entire classroom. So that's how we need to move forward. That's how we need to move forward. And Nishant, are you there by any chance? Nishant?
Yes, I am.
Nishant, your is on level 2 because your points are straightforward to the requirement. But with reference to the business, little more you need to explain. Are you understanding, Nishant?
Yes, sir, I understand you.
Super, super, super. So students, now let's come back to the question. So let's start working with the question. So this is the question we have. So purposely, I have given a very long question this time, students, so that you spend a lot of time in reading. And I will also give you more and more questions in this format so that you will get used to this. So students, as the examiner has already clearly mentioned, that our main target should be the requirement. Sometimes students, I'll be very, very open to you that the requirement will be in the reference material. Ansro, in your experience, have you observed that sometimes the reference material will have the requirement? Have you observed that, Ansro? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, be very careful. Some students have the attitude that this is the requirement. No, this will be the direction towards requirement. So what I will do is I will start working on these students So as usual, Sharmin, you have developed a good answer, but my target for you is you should move to the level 3. Are you clear with that, Sharmin?
Yes, sir.
And one more kind request for the children, never write bullet points. Instead of bullet points, just write a heading. That's enough. Don't put A, B, 1, 2, 3. Don't. They don't like it, students. You can check it in the answers as well. So now coming to the mock 3, now I need to manage time and I need to be very efficient here. Firstly, we need to bring back the competitive advantage in the market, even for the smart products that we are offering front. Okay, in the market, even for that. So please evaluate the suggestion given by the digital consultant. Now the main objective is we need to bring back the I can say the competitive advantage, but the requirement here is evaluate suggestion given by the digital consultant. So how to identify the question in the exam is identify the verb. So the verb is evaluate. So I'll write down here evaluation of suggestion, evaluation of suggestion, evaluation of suggestion, evaluation of suggestion provided by the digital consultant, evaluation of suggestion provided by the digital consultant, evaluation of the suggestion provided by the digital consultant, evaluation of the suggestion provided by the digital consultant, evaluation of the suggestion provided by the digital consultant. Now the problem I have is I can't get the suggestion here. This is purely a case-based question because I need to get what they are asking using the data in the case study. So if you're fine with this, students, can I get a Y in the chat box so that I will go to the next one? So I have fixed my mind that this one cannot be found easily. I need to do a detailed reading. So I believe that has given a better idea. I'm not wasting time. So I will finish this as well. Secondly, we need to have a strong digital marketing ecosystem. Now, some students have misunderstood. There's a difference between digital marketing tools, digital marketing ecosystem. Digital marketing ecosystem, I'll teach you how it works out. For Frinta, please be kind enough to evaluate how we can be strong in the digital marketing ecosystem, how we can be strong in the digital marketing ecosystem. So what I will write down here is evaluation of digital marketing ecosystem, evaluation of digital marketing ecosystem, evaluation of digital marketing ecosystem. So students, one mistake many of you all did was you did the digital marketing tool, not the ecosystem. Thirdly, we need to have a millennial workforce at Frinta at the moment. Please discuss the strategies we can pursue to be an employer of choice. So I'll write down here employer of choice, strategies, employer of choice strategies for millennial workforce, Now I will guide you of how these things all work, so don't worry. So let's start working on this very, very clearly. Okay, so let's start doing. So we know these are the three major areas that we need to focus on. So in the examination, there is a strategy used by examiner called distractor. He will definitely give some information which will be not in the scope of the requirement, purposely to make your mind, I can say, to become in thinking what many point of view, but you should be very clear that your thought process should be to the range within this. We had an extraordinary general meeting. So here, Tamara Dajan. Who is Tamara Dajan? I want to ask this question. Can someone tell me who is Tamara Dajan in our organization? Yeah, the finance team should know who is Tamara Dajan.
One of our non-executive directors.
The chairman, actually. Okay, Tamara Dajan has sent you the common mail to the management. There you were present in the boardroom for suggestion. So you have been there. We had an extraordinary general meeting with the shareholders. Most of the shareholders were pressurizing that our company should be moving into digital strategy-based organization rather than be a traditional business heater, ventilator controller. Because in the Westland has been transforming into a smart city where Internet of Things is taking over traditional business, which did not upgrade their business model. Please make sure that next time we meet, we get some news about the market of some developments rather than being strategically flux. So just remember that, students. Strategically flux means you don't develop anything and ultimately you close down the business. Coming to the next one, David Wine, our CEO, is now very much curious since this has become a situation where we need to increase the presence in the digital market as we were present previously, or else we can be chances that end up like Nokia Kodak business. I have hired a digital transformation consultant, and he has clearly mentioned that our company will be facing a big threat if this continues, since developed nations in the world are moving into digitalization rather than traditional business process. He had a detailed report in the reference section. Please be kind enough to refer. Now, students, this type of questions can come in the exam. This type of question we generally say is a question of making the student tired. You understand what I'm saying, Anstro? Because Anstro, have you seen some questions make you tired in the exam day?
Yes, sir.
And when you read this, you become tired and your brain stops working. So anticipate this type of question. Can I ask the class? This question is just giving an update about digitalization, this paragraph, and a technical advisor, but it's not having anything related to the digital consultant or the digital marketing or the millennial workforce. So students, a person who is a slow reader, you need to understand that the shortcut to improve your time management is get the requirements on the point. So one thing I can say, this entire sentences are not value adding to the requirement, but it's just giving you the point of view. So if you understand this, can I get a Y in the chat box, students? If you are clear with this, can I please get a Y in the chat box? Thank you, students. Just remember one thing, you should not get tired in the exam day. You should not get tired in the exam day, and there will be questions like this purposely driven to make you tired. Okay, coming to the Digital Man Consultancy Group, to the management of Finta Digital Strategy Development. Dear sir, as per the thorough research that we was conducted in the Western region, we have clearly identified that the requirement of smart devices are increasing. This is mainly because of the development in the country's information technology. At present, all major towns are well constructed and everyone has centralized heating and ventilator controllers. The problem which I observed with Printer Friend products were it had the following concern. As you are aware, the product has no much differentiation. The product has no much differentiation, and the product generally looks very much same as the other market. The research and development team agreed and they were sure about this. In order to be successful, the company should focus on design thinking, experimental pilot, prototyping, brand automation to be successful. Now, students, if you see the suggestion that this guy gave was design thinking, experimental pilot, prototyping, brand automation. So we should go through the evaluation of these things for the moment, and we should be to the reference to the business. Be very careful. So these are the suggestions. So first thing what I will write down here, the suggestions he provided for us. One is design thinking. Now students, why I develop hybrid type of question is I want to do a revision of your theory also in the class, but in the examination it will not be like what is in the here, because it will always be mostly related to the requirement and it will be little bit less theoretical. So just getting understanding. So prototyping is another one, and the other one is atomization. That is brand atomization. So these are the four things that we need to do the evaluation. So that I took out. And coming to the next one, students, let's take out the data first. Further, the digital marketing needs to be enhanced further, since consumers are not much aware about the product visibility in the online stores. Since digital platform has been dominated by YP Burn, so they have clearly mentioned that. So YP Burn is dominating the digital platforms. Okay. Further, I was observing some post in LinkedIn of some past interns in the research and development has mentioned the following: useless organization to work in Printa, no proper culture, very much standards, simply doing tasks that are standardized, not good company to work if you are a creative person. So this happens also. Okay, there is a website called Glassdoor. You can see all the reviews of the employees. this post has been viral and you need to make sure you prevent such statement in the future. Okay, so we got the three idea. One is social media only we are having a bad choice. Okay, be very careful, and YP Burn is doing very well in the digital context. I'll come to all those things, but I will do the evaluation of this for the moment. Design thinking, experimental pilot, prototyping, brand automation. So can I teach you the guidance of the SEMA marking scheme? Now, Sharmin, let's work together. Level 1. Sharmin, level 1, if I want to get a little marks, I need to explain what is design thinking. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sharmin. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, if I want to become a level 2, a bottom box like 79 to 80, I need to explain what is design thinking, what is design thinking with Frinta. What do you think? Yes or no?
Yes, you're right.
And if I want to get the world number 1 or the topper in the world, level 3, what I need to write?
Who,
What-
what, why, how?
Is design thinking. That gives me some marks to my initial start. What is design thinking? With Frinta. What is design thinking with Frinta? With potentials, with potentials in the market, with potentials in the market. You get what I'm saying there, Sharmi? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, now our classroom has two categories of students. One is this category. This category should all, I will be very close to you, level 1. And the worst category is level 0. I'll tell you who are level 0. Sharmin, can you tell me who is level 0?
Level 0 is the person who does not write anything regarding the
Does not write
any
anything.
answering the
Correct.
requirement.
Correct. Does not write anything is level 0. Now, if you are not writing anything, students, automatically you have positioned yourself. Not a criticism. This is a very open boardroom. Level 0 also they are in our class. So students, be very careful. So level 0, don't write anything. You be there itself. Level 1, you write something, but now you have the challenge. When you get the feedback, you should come to level 2. It's not an overnight challenge. I'm telling you, it's a continuous process. And level 3 is the most challenging thing. I can say in the Maslow pyramid, you are in the top level. Okay, the self-actualization is like the level 3. So students, now coming here, design thinking is very simple. Design thinking is a very simple. Design thinking, you can write, design thinking is a process of understanding a problem in the market or future problem that may arise in the market, Design thinking is a process of understanding a problem in the market or future problem that may arise in the market and developing a solution based on the market feedback. Now children, some ask question, can we write real life example? Yes, you can write it, but it should be very relevant to the requirement. So I will give you a real life example of design thinking. Pfizer developed vaccine. Okay, Pfizer developed vaccines that everyone knows. Now they are planning to develop pills. Correct? Now this development of pill is a result of design thinking, because if you see, Sharmi, there will be situation where people did not prefer vaccine. What do you think, Sharmi? Yes or no? So
Yes.
there will be a category who will also be happy with having some pills that can cure the COVID-19. So students get the understanding. Design thinking is you are finding solutions to the problems by market feedback and your thing. So it's a mixture of inside out and outside in. That means you are balancing both and coming with a solution. So that is the critical idea of level 1. So I have scored 2 marks here. So I believe everyone is clear with that. 2 marks is scored. I want to ask the question from Ansro. Ansro, are you clear here? How many marks did you score, Ansro, now?
2, sir.
2 marks. So I'll write that here. Printer has been lack of concentrating on the market, since they are having patented products at the moment, or I can say heating and ventilators. Therefore, we need to have a development within the enterprise where we can collect consumer experience. And based on that, we can have a development. So one thing I can generally say is one design thinking process matching to the case study is the smart alarm system. Are you understanding what I'm saying there, Shar? Now, if you see the smart alarm system is already developed by whom? Our competitor, YP Burn. Yes or no? So just asking again, we are going with the smart speaker. Is that a development or just a modification of the existing product? It's just a modification, right, Sharmin? So what you need to connect is you can say we can generally collect the feedback about smart alarms and the weaknesses. And what consumer prefers. Now, coming to the point, Sharmin, just get the understanding. So if you look at the pre-seen material, I'll just take to you. So in the pre-seen material, there was a clear understanding that the prices of smart alarms are very high. You get what I'm saying, Sharmin? Yes or no?
Yes.
So here, can we use the design thinking function? Possible or not possible? Because they are saying for an apartment, you are getting too much of products. You get what I'm saying? They are saying it's too much. They are saying YP Burn security systems kit comprises of 2 doors, window sensors. So it's opening. So they are telling that if you see here, they are saying it is possible to extend the kit. So I am starting. So my apartment has only one exterior door. So can I ask you one question? Now consumers are saying they have only one door, but the product is coming for 2 doors. So as a design thinking, can we solve this problem? Yes or no, Sharmi?
Yes. We
Yeah.
can have 2 different lines of product.
Correct.
The ones
correct,
that who need 1 for them
Correct.
also and who need 2 for them also.
Correct. So I can write down here. Therefore, example. Look at the quality students. Example. We can develop smart alarms only for one door. Is that clear, students? Makes sense or doesn't make sense? 100% makes sense. Students, I don't know. Especially, I think even it's there. Uber pool. Sharmin, is it there in Bangladesh? Uber pool. That is, you can book Uber cab where 4 different individuals can share and go.
Uber pool is there, but we don't recommend it. The government doesn't recommend it.
Okay.
Due to security reasons.
Understood. Answer, if you see Uber pool is an idea which is there in India. It's an idea about design thinking, right? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
Cities like Bangalore, Chennai, everywhere they go with Uber pool. It's cheap. It is convenient as well. So students, did you get the idea of how to come to level number 3? So students, if your level number 3 mark is clear, can I get Y in the chat box, students? Can I get Y in the chat box? You can also put the names of the characters involved. There is no problem. but this is the higher level quality level of the answer, students. So we are at the moment in level 2, but level 3 should be more specific to a relevant business scenario with a proper justification. Like we work in the office. In the office, we generally go with the level 3 point of view only for the scoring level. Okay, now design thinking is done. After design thinking, let's move on to the next one, experimental pilot. So experiential pilot. So students, experiential pilot means I can generally say now, if you see people are going to the moon, the SpaceX project, okay? So the Virgin Galactics, where people are going outside the space, it's an experimental pilot. What do you think, students? Yes or no? So that they give that experiential understanding of the pilot run, and they get the feedback from the people, and based on the feedback, they develop the product. So that's the understanding here. So what I can generally say is just asking one question from the class. Now, if you see this heating and ventilator controllers, does it have a sensor which will monitor whether there can be a fire inside the house? Sharmin, did they mention anything related? The heating and ventilator controller will observe any fire, smoke detectors, anything coming with that?
I don't remember anything like that.
It was not there, right? So if you are a finance manager, how you can improve the standard of living? Because always remember one thing, developed countries, the higher level of standard of living, you will be able to develop the business. So standard of living, if you see, we can improve the quality level of security. Example, we can control, example, the heat sensor, everything. And just asking one more thing, child, now if you see small children controlling that, they may get some electric shock. So we can manage it properly, like how we can control it without fingerprint sensors. Can we have biometrics in our products? Of course, we can have biometrics in our products to control the temperature of the enterprise. So that clearly gives you more and more control over the enterprise and the organization. So experimental pilot, what we can generally do is we can also collect the alarm system as well. And also we can connect the app what we have, and also the voice command that we can make it little more in detail. So students, coming to the next point, I can say experiential pilot. Experiential pilot is a situation of developing a new concept, and getting the feedback from the users. So I will give you a classic example. I can generally say is very simple. SpaceX by Elon Musk. Generally gets the feedback from the experiences, and they develop. Okay, so students, that is very clear for you. So that's still a level 1. Sharmin, this is not enough. What do you see? Yes or no? This sentence is not it. Make sense or doesn't? Highly make sense. So students, now I will just complete here. So I can generally say, as the R&D, as the research and development agreed, we don't have any experiential pilots for the moment. Experiential pilots, since we are duplicating YP Burns product, So that is the main issue. So I'll give you the solution as well. Therefore, in future, we can make our own developments, provided the management allocates funds to R&D, research and development. Now I'll tell you why R&D funds are less. I'll tell you. And now if you see students, a company where the research and development funds are there, it will be reflected in the financial statements. Here they have just mentioned intangible assets only. They have not mentioned whether it's a development cost or a research cost or anything like that. And students, they have just given the admin function, and sorry, that was for YP Burn. So I'll just came for our organization. Even for Frinta students, the admin costs are reducing, the sales and marketing is reducing. Then of course, we are not having any other cost that is involved in the R&D. Because do you see any cost spent in R&D? Shabnam, do you feel anything that is given by the top management to R&D at the moment? Or are they spending more on dividends? I think so. They are paying back the dividends. And also students, coming to the next one, that is very, very important. That is very, very important. What I can specifically say is, if you see here, it's the other way around. It's the other way around. They are increasing the spending, plus they have paid dividend as well. So I can just write down here, the financial statements reflect, the financial statements reflect, the financial statements, the financial statements reflect, the financial statements reflect that we are not having sufficient, we are not having sufficient finance for research and development, research and development. So what I will continue, so I will justify with the business reference. So I can just say, so I will continue. So I can just write, therefore, we need to adjust the business process by finding some other resources. Example, evaluation of research and development building, research and development building. Because there is no evaluation what is happening. People are saying we are just doing the standard jobs, we are leaving the organization like that. That's the point of view. Students, any problems with the experimental pilots, you can let me know. So that is the basic idea of that. So if you are fine with that, students, can I get Y in the chat box? Then we can go to the prototyping, and then we can go into the brand atomization as well. Students, can I get Y in the chat box if you don't mind? Thank you. Thank you very much. 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 So I believe this is giving you a better idea here, so that you will be able to develop this properly. This will be developed properly. So coming to the next one, students, coming to the next one, that is known as the prototyping. So the prototyping is something very simple and easier. So what I can specifically write down in the prototyping is very easy thing. That is generally, before a product is launched to the market, a beta version is developed and provided to a consumer group, from which modifications can be made for the product. Full stop. So students, what I can generally do is, the Printa Friend product has been developed based on YP Burn feedback, from which we were able to understand that the product has been replicated rather than prototyped. Replicated rather than prototype, rather than prototype, rather than prototype. So what I can continue here is, so I can say in future, in order to gain competitive advantage, we can develop prototypes with more additional features, and get the attention of the market by publishing in the trade magazines. Publishing in what? The trade magazines. Publishing in the trade magazines, and also participating in many business exhibitions, participating in many business exhibitions. So get the understanding of this very properly and clearly. So I believe this is very much clear for you. Is that fine, Charmin? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So students, coming to the last one, that is the brand atomization. Brand atomization in simple language is you make the product universal. So the meaning of brand automation is your product can be used in any other products. That means the compatibility of the product is there in everything. The classic example I can generally say is the headphones. Now, if you see the headphones, they can generally fix into any of the devices. That is a brand atomization. Now, if you see what YP Burn has done, it's a brand atomization, because their speakers are having that fluidness where it can have the compatibility not only with the heater and ventilator controllers, but every other products as well, including digital shopping content, digital personal management as well. So students, my question here is brand atomization is the next level. But the problem that we are facing is we have a luxury brand, and further we need to secure that. So brand atomization is possible provided that you increase the level of cyber securities inside your product as well, compared with, I can say, YP Burn. Now, if you see Drunko can be mentioned as a classic example of how brand automation was able to connect. So I'll write down here, students, brand atomization is the process where the products can be integrated with other devices, Example I can specifically say is WhatsApp. Now, one problem is, if you see WhatsApp can be there in anything. Have you observed that, Charmin? You can have WhatsApp in your computer, you can have WhatsApp in your tablet, you can have WhatsApp in your mobile phone, you have WhatsApp in iOS platform, you can have WhatsApp in Windows platform, you can have WhatsApp even in, I can say, the Android platform. Do you get what I'm saying there, Charmin? Yes or no? So if you see, WhatsApp has become one of the world's largest messenger app. The only secret of their success is its brand automation. It has become fluid. Are you clear with what I'm saying there, Charmin? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, students, if your product is no more compatible with other products, it will end up as Kodak. Kodak and Sony, basic difference was Kodak is only compatible with film roll. But Sony, it already killed its own product, but still it was successful. Example, Sharmi, iPad and iTunes. Now, if you see, iPod is for music, but they developed iTunes. It was a killing of their own company, but still they survived in that, because iTunes is one of the largest, I can say, the music playing platform at the moment. So this is how it works out. Sony Music, if you see the YouTube channel, they would have definitely killed their mostly physical stores, but still they are dominating. They are dominating. Still, a major musician will always release their major, I can say, albums in their sync. So WhatsApp, example WhatsApp, since it can be accessed any devices, can be accessed any devices, can be accessed in any devices. So students, can you remember there's a software called Linux? By any chance, have you heard about this, Sharmin, Linux?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I
Linux,
heard about it.
Linux operating system is not so successful, mainly because they did not go into the brand atomization. Students get that point of view. So I will come to the point of view. So I can say here, printer, heating and ventilators, may be a success, but when it comes to smart technology, when it comes to smart technology, when it comes to smart technology, it is very essential, the accessibility and the compatibility is strong. Since this may provide the consumer more convenience, consumer more convenience. This is the idea of the students. This will provide more convenience. Apple is really successful. The only reason is their software will not have any problem. It's very good and highly maintained. But in case if their software has a problem, I am 100% sure the entire companies will shift. Students, just want to ask a question. How many of you were aware? I'll write down here. This will be very easy for your learning process. Microsoft 11. Sharmin, have you heard about Microsoft 11 launching recently?
No, sir.
So Microsoft 11 is a threat to, I can say, Android, because it has become a threat to Android, because in Microsoft 11 they have almost adopted the Windows software almost like a mobile phone application software, very easy to use. So it will definitely be a threat to Android. So that's the brand atomization. When the brands are becoming easy to be used anywhere, they become a successful brand in the world. So I will continue with this. So I can write down here. This is a weakness. This is a weakness for us, since we need to have more collaborations like YP Burn, and not only restrict to Dronco, not only restrict to Dronco. So students get that understanding. Therefore, we need to modify our products. We need to modify our products with high level of cyber security, This is the clear cut understanding. So children, now level 1, level 2, level 3, I think you got the point of view how to score the level 3 marks. That means students, your paragraph should contain the logical references to the business. Now students, before moving on to the digital marketing ecosystems, any questions you have, you can ask me, students. If you're fine with that, can I please get Y in the chat box? So you get the understanding of this. These are concepts I took it from the books, which are more relevant to the current industry students. These are something new to many of our classmates, because this is the new trend in the world. So Sharmin, before I move into digital marketing ecosystem, can I start with marketing ecosystem, Sharmin?
Yes.
So Sharmin, marketing ecosystem, I will come with Coke. Coke is the best company who started marketing ecosystem. I'll teach you how. Sharmin, especially in the subcontinent, have you seen companies, have you seen shops having Coca-Cola board? Coke board and below that the name of the shop.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So that shows that is one ecosystem they have developed. When you are traveling anywhere, you will be able to see in the road, in a small shop also Coke. And also, Sharmi, in some hotels, have you seen a Coke refrigerator? Have you seen a Coke refrigerator?
Yes. I have seen for Pepsi also.
Yeah, I will come to Pepsi because let's go with Coke refrigerator because Coke only started ecosystem. So you find even Coke refrigerator. And then when you go to an airport, okay, Sharmi, have you seen a Coke vending machine? Pepsi, Coke, something, yes or no? The vending machine is also there. And then
Vending machine is like not like on its own. It's with these small kiosks.
correct. And then coming to a next one, when you see international events like IPL, everything, have you seen Coke is there? Yes or no? Coke. After that, Olympics also you find Coke. Yes or no, Sharmi? Have you
Yes. Yes.
The next thing, movies. Have you seen in the movies also Coke coming? Yes or no? Example,
Yes.
cinema stars, cricketers, or celebrities also come with Coke. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
After that, I can say events. When you go for major events, exhibitions, have you seen Coke there? Yes or no?
Yeah. Sponsored events. Yeah.
School canteens and university canteens, have you seen Coke there? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, it is there. Coke is there. Now, if you see what is happening, I'm very sorry to say you find Coke in hospitals. Have you seen that, Sharmi, in private hospital?
Yes.
Yeah, you
In
have
their canteens. Yes.
you become cure and again you become sick. Okay, so students, that is the marketing ecosystem. So marketing ecosystem means what when you see Coke everywhere, Coke becomes one of the part of your life. What do you think, students? Now, if it is a Sri Lanka, I can tell you the Sri Lankan classical example. I think Prashant is there, Nishant is there. Nishant, have you heard this example that A Gadarat Bajat, Me Gadarat Bajat, Apich Bajat? Can you remember that, Nishant?
Yeah, so it rings a bell.
Ecosystem, right? So what happened is from taxi Sri Lanka moved into a three-wheel. So that's how they converted the mindset of the people. Now, likewise, students, marketing ecosystem means what they do is they make you surrounded by that product. You get what I'm saying? It's not digital marketing. They make you surrounded by that product. Example, media. Now, if you media will somewhat make you surrounded by that. Have you observed that, Sharmi? Sometimes a negative news will be coming wherever you travel. Have you observed that, Sharmi? Yes or no?
Yes.
Something. Sometimes something about a celebrity. Wherever you see that ecosystem, they slowly build. So ecosystem is when the brands are connected to all the areas, whatever you go. So digital marketing ecosystem is generally where does people spend? One is social media. People spend time in social media. Agree, no, Sharmi? Because Facebook, Instagram is a social media. Makes sense, no, Sharmi? And
Yeah,
after that, there is something called blogs, if I'm not mistaken. Blogs, websites, okay, websites, all these, and we can say search engines. We generally use this frequently, search engines, okay. So if you see here, Sharmi, in a successful company that is successful, they are not only present in social media, they are present in all the digital platforms. You get what I'm saying, Sharmi? Yes or no? Wherever you go, there will be. Example, Sharmi, have you seen credit card advertisements? If you HSBC, everything, everywhere it will come. Have you observed that, Sharmi? That means
Yes,
they have digitally created a marketing where they want you to buy that product. That means wherever you are opening, from opening to the mobile phone, unless you switch off your mobile phone, you will be getting these everywhere where you go. So students get the understanding of marketing ecosystem. That means you develop a system over the entire digital networks where your product is visible every time. A classic example, students, a classic example is the Netflix. And Netflix is a classic example. Can I say one thing? Example, if you see Netflix series, example, like I can say Money Heist. Okay, Money Heist, how did they do the promotion? And a worst case scenario is, I can say you, Squid Games. How did Squid Games come to our mobile phone? That is somewhere in Korea, but sometimes how slowly it reached our mobile phone, right? What do you think, Sharmin? Yes or no? Because I'm 100%
Yes.
sure we are not a Korean fan of movies, but it reached
Yes, I
our
have watched both. Yes, you're right.
happens is it made us watch also. So how did it made us watch? Memes were created. Okay, it came through reviews. It came through the social network. It came through the other aspects as well. It came through the I can say marketing of other products as well. So this how it was connected. Is that fine, Sharmin? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So students, now are you getting the understanding of digital marketing ecosystem versus digital marketing tool? Because ecosystem is different, tools are different. So can I get a Y in the chat box if you are clear with that? Because if you want to be successfully in the online, you should have the presence in the entire digital platform like Netflix does. Their products are coming to you even without your intention, you are watching that. That is a high level of success of, I can say, Netflix product, because we never expected to watch a Korean series in our mobile phone, but they made us watch that. That is the highest level of education application. So now can I ask you a question coming to the pre-scene? If you see our company with YP Burn has a better digital marketing ecosystem, because do you see 5-star rating is coming? Correct, no, Sharmi? And again, if you see blogs are there, people will be reviewing in their blogs. So wherever they are going, this YP Burn product has reached them. What do you think, Sharmi? Yes or no?
Yes.
So students, if you are fine with that, can I please get Y in the chat box, please? Can I get a Y in the chat box if you are fine with that? So I will come that this is our main weakness. This is our main weakness because we have not at all capitalized this. We have not at all capitalized this. So I will give a note for that and let's start writing on this. So I will start writing so that it will be very easy for us. Digital marketing ecosystem. Digital marketing ecosystem is the process of digital networking of a product or a service throughout the entire digital platforms, by any chance, did you get to know unverified news that in Abu Dhabi they are planning to start real life Squid Game? Did anyone get that news feed in your point of view? Anyone in our class did get that Abu Dhabi starting a Squid Game real life? So that's how you develop a digital network. It is not 100% correct, but it is grabbing the attention of the people. So digital marketing ecosystem networking of product through the entire digital platforms from I can say from search engines to I can just say messengers to social networks, blogs, and all the digital media, full stop. So I will just write down a basic explanation. Netflix is a threat to YouTube. What do you think, Sharmin? Is Netflix a threat to YouTube?
Yes.
Yeah, but they have aligned the ecosystem very well. Yeah, YouTube recommends Netflix series. At the end, both ends up buying the consumer time, or both ends up taking the consumer time. So it's a success for both, win-win situation. So I will come here at the moment. I can say YP Burn has successfully developed the, I can say, digital marketing ecosystem. Yeah, the product reviews are viral. The product reviews are viral. And the consumer can reach the product anytime. Full stop. This is a clear weakness for printout. Since we are following only the method of distributing through online retailers rather than a joint network, Are you getting this point there, Sharmit? Are you getting the understanding how this works out? Yes or no?
Yes.
So students, that was the main thing. So I'll write down the other points so that you will be very clear and easy. So the thing is, they are specifically mentioning digital marketing system. So how we can develop? We can implement a sales funnel where we can track the data needs of each and every platform, and also track the user digital habit and target him in the systems wherever he is in. You get the point there, yes or no? So that eventually he may accept the product. But sometimes there can be a risk. Where he may block the service. Sharmin, can that also happen? Yes or no? The service can be blocked. So many
Yes.
informations are coming. Yeah. So he can block the service, which will cause no more sales at all. So we need to be strategic here. Therefore, we need to make sure we develop a dedicated digital media team. Reporting to, we need to take our marketing person. We had a marketing person in our team. So just a minute. It was whom? Alcin.
Elson Chen.
To Alcin. Since they should understand the new trend. So students, I am just summarizing this just to save the time. So I will just move to the next one. I believe you all understood the differences between social media, digital media marketing versus digital media ecosystem. So if you are fine with this, students, can I get a Y in the chat box so that I can guide you how the employer of choice for the millennial workforce will come to the picture? So we need to be very careful here. So students coming to the employer of choice for the millennial workforce, okay, employer of choice for the millennial workforce, get this point of view clearly. So the first point of view that I wanted to say is we already have some negative reviews in the social media platform. So how we can get the millennial workforce is okay. Now it's a very challenging question. Inspirational leadership, all are fine, but other than leadership, now already look at the situation. Look at the situation in the case study. Look at the students already negative publicity, already negative publicity, already negative publicity. So how are we going to do this? Let's get the understanding. So it will be very simple. So the first allocation, what I can say is if something already negative publicity is there, develop a team for innovation. Develop a team for innovation and ideation. Innovation and ideation. So we need to develop a team for innovation and ideation. This is my point of view. You can write anything. Now, if you develop a team for innovation ideation, we need to make sure that all the developments and ideations are presented to the general public. To the general public. Therefore, they will be able to understand, and apply. They will be able to understand and apply the contents well. Are you clear with that, Sharmi? Yes, sir. You get the point what I'm saying. Further, we need to provide scholarships. We need to provide what? Scholarships for the youngsters. Now, students being very open, scholarships for the youngsters will definitely make the labor turnover. Yes. What do you think? Scholarship for youngsters for tech education. For tech education. What do you think, Shabnam? Yes or no?
Yes, with certain amount of results.
Excellent. With results and performance targets. Excellent. Performance targets. Now, students, this is a very business oriented, because one more thing. Now, I'll ask from Shruti. Shruti, just a small question. Shruti, if your company is funding for you for your examination, will you be happy or not happy? I think
I
generally
would be,
happy, right? So I can
Yeah.
say generally this will build loyalty. Now, Shabnam, I want to ask one question. Are we doing this at the moment? No, it's clearly mentioned no. So I can say
Yeah, no, it's nothing there.
this can be publicized, and this can increase the young workforce in the company. And the next one is develop a career mapping. Develop a career mapping for the freshers. One thing, Shabnam, in real life, very rarely companies do career mapping for freshers. What do you think? Yes or no, Shabnam?
Yes, they
Yeah,
don't do
it-
that.
they don't do, right? Because career mapping is very crucial. Sundar Pichai became the CEO of Google because of career mapping. Because he was a project manager, he had the target that if he develops a successful project, Google Chrome, he can end up into the top management. He was able to capitalize it properly. So I will mention Sundar Pichai as one more person who came in the tech sector where he was able to develop things. So generally, Google, I'll write on here, Google generally develops a career plan for the employees. Where they have a clear direction where they are leading to. Clear direction where they are leading to. example, Sundar Pichai from India. I will write it down. Became the CEO of Google since he was directed well to develop Google Chrome. Which resulted a success. Now, one question, students, if you say Larry Page, the founder of Google, he developed the Google search engine. Correct me if I'm wrong, Shabnam. Yes or no? That was the only thing he developed. But if you see, Chrome was developed by Sundar Pichai. Okay, Google Mail is a different version. After that, if you say Google Drive is a different version. Agree? No? After that, Google Docs is a different version. YouTube is a different version. So the success is delegate and manage. You get what I'm saying? Yes or no? So I can say Frinta can follow the same approach. Frinta can follow the same approach of delegate and manage. Delegate and manage. Are you getting that correctly, Shabnam? Yes or no? Where
Yes.
such incidents can be prevented. Where such incidents can be prevented. Can be prevented. So children, now I believe I have just taken your time a lot today. So just for a summary, if you're fine with the outcome today, the outcome of the class today is understand the difference between the level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3 quality answers. So today I believe that you got the idea of this properly. Can I get a Y in the chat box if level 1, level 2, level 3 idea was clear for you? Because that is the basement, students. And next week onwards, we will be doing 2 questions per mock. So I need 1.5 hours time from you. And next week, Saturday onwards, digital mocks will be coming, where we are not going to do it manually in Word document. It will be in the system. So children, if you're fine with all those, I'm getting a lot of Y's. So now I'll go to the question and answer session. So Ahmed, any questions for the day? Ahmed Zaim, any questions for the day? You can ask. If you're fine, you can get a Y. Amrinash, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Ansfro, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
The next person, Ashraf, any questions for the day? Diana, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Sharmin, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Malik, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Kinmin, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thanks.
Mahmudur Rahman, any questions for the day? Fani, any questions for the day? Pragati, any questions for the day?
So just that in case like during an exam, is it okay if we take like a company's name as an example? Like,
Yes,
are we
yes.
allowed to refer to a company?
We are allowed to refer to the company because it increases the level 3 quality.
All right. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. That's a very good question. Students, why I put company's name here is level 3 quality is the highest level of quality. Now, example, when you are training your employees, always when you use practical explanation and train them, they will understand it faster. Ravi Kumar, any questions for the day? Shruti, any questions for the day?
No, sir. Thank you.
Vishnu Prabhakar, any questions for the day? Okay, so thank you very much, students. I will meet you on the Tuesday class. Have a wonderful weekend, students.